Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. Before we get to the good stuff, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time that I post a video. Self-Care Sunday challenge number 2. Welcome back to the Self-Care Sunday Challenge. This is the second video in the series, so this would be week 2. If you haven't seen week 1, click it right there. I explain the whole thing of what the Self-Care Sunday Challenge is. Watch that, come back here, and continue on your journey. To review, last week we talked about the first thing that you should be doing on Sundays to make your week that much better. And that thing is planning out your outfits. I give you all the details as to why it makes sense to do it all at once for the entire week. So this is week number 2, which means you already planned your outfits for the whole week and you came back here and you're ready for the next step. Step number 2, meal prep. Don't click off. Let me explain. I'm not telling you to make an entire week's worth of food in one day. I'm not asking you to do that. What I'm asking you to do is make a plan for the week. Figure out which meal is your struggle meal. Maybe that is lunch. Okay, focus on lunches. Focus on what you would actually like to eat and consume and put in your body. It is your choice what you're going to eat. So instead of getting to work and realizing, oh, I don't have a lunch, I'm gonna have to just order something through DoorDash, which I mean is fine if you leave a good tip for your DoorDash driver. But it's going to end up costing you a lot of money in the long run. There's nothing wrong with doing it once in a while, but it's going to really add up if you continue to do that all the time because you're consistently forgetting. That means that a behavior needs to change. So we're gonna change it. Figure out what it is that you want. Maybe you want to make like a nice hearty stew like I did. Insert some clips right here. So proud of myself. Maybe you want to do an enchilada, stew, tacos, soup, something else that I also did that was really tasty. I will link the recipe down below. Choose a meal that when you make it, you will have some leftovers that you can put into pre-portioned containers. You don't have to just eat chicken and broccoli. Like, nobody wants to do that forever. Not cute, and also eating 6-day-old chicken is just not a vibe. Make something that you can at least have for a couple days. Choose maybe 2 meals that you can make, maybe even at the same time. Dump some ingredients in the slow cooker. You can choose to make a bunch and then maybe freeze some and have some refrigerated to keep it fresher and then put stuff throughout the week if that's what you want to do. I am not here to tell you exactly how to meal prep. It is going to look different for everybody. I would not recommend eating the same thing every day of the week. That is just going to get boring. You need some choices. I will often dump something in a slow cooker and then also, while that's cooking, prep something, throw it in the oven, and it's great. Buffalo chicken dip is great for this. A baked ziti is good for this. Very Midwestern recipes. Find recipes that you enjoy, pre-package them, have a super cute lunchbox. I know that sounds stupid. Cam, can you grab my cute lunchbox?
Sorry for hitting you right in the hand.
Actually, you hit me right in the face there, but it's all good. Look at how cute my lunchbox is. It's so cute. Oh, I'm yelling.
You are.
It's so cute though. It's purple and blue with flowers. It makes me excited to pack a lunch. And then I get to, walk into work like this, like, makes me feel cute. You know me, I love flowers. I love blue, purple, green stuff. That's me. That's my personality, so. Let's take this one step further. The going to the store to buy the ingredients. That doesn't always work for everybody, but my suggestion instead, do a grocery pickup, a grocery delivery, a HelloFresh, link below if you want to get some meals. Things like this that make it easier. There are certain things that we have to decide if it's worth the time. Pick it out online. Also, HelloFresh is great because you don't even have to make a list. You pick the meals that you want and they literally send you the perfectly portioned, measured ingredients. So all you have to do is doop, 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 and it's done. That's it. So week 2, pick out your outfits, plan your meals. Stay tuned for my next video where we talk about the 3rd thing you should be doing on Sundays. Have a great week. That's it for this video. And until next time, stay hydrated, sis.